Hi all. xorq is a deferred computational framework. Let's build a data pipeline composing together Aeroflight, DuckDB, and Postgres. Let's jump in. I will fire up my IPython terminal and we can import xorq as XO. Typically, the first thing a user may do is connect to the local backend. xorq comes with a modified data fusion based backend that is already embedded. The goal of this pipeline is to fetch some data from Hacker News API. So let's start defining some imports, and we will write our expert. So this expert will do a deferred read from a file. Has the inputs to our Hacker News UDF. Let's do some more imports, and let's define our Hacker News lib here as well, and let's keep on composing our expert, and this time we will pipe it into a Hacker News fetcher UDXF, or an exchanger function. And this function runs behind a flight service and does the requests work to fetch the data from Hacker News API. We can also define a UDF here as well that can do something else. So let's do some more imports, and let's write our UDF first. This is a style UDF that will take in titles and see if the title contains a URL or not. Now compose this with a mutate, and here we are. And now we can do a head and an execute to take a peek at what our pipeline looks like. Notice we did not do any work until we just called the execute on it. So one of the things that differentiates xorq from other frameworks is its multi-engine capabilities. So let's look into or take a quick peek there. We'll connect to a Postgres database, and now we can call the into backend operator with this Postgres as an input, and this will now take this data and create a table in Postgres that we can use for later. I will exit out my repl now, and we will take a quick tour of the CLI. xorq has an experimental build and run CLI. We can do a build of the pipeline. So in this case, we have the same pipeline defined in the demo. That these artifacts can further be used to run and round trip back to the xorq expressions. Thank you for watching.